Hello one. So another great stuff I just get. The best things is those bucket. It weighs exactly 10 kilos, now maybe a little bit over. This is like cables from forklift chargers. Look like this. Very nice, quite thick. Only thing what I need to do with this to get rid of this contact, inside I got like silver plated contacts. Cut away the second end. I believe it's copper, must be, and then just strip the cable. And as I get such a nice amount, like 10 kilos, I will just try to make video on it, and then we will just count how much we earn on stripping those stuff. I know it's quite hard to get such a stuff, but sometime it happened. Yeah, if I get it, then probably you also can get it sometime. Still, no, there you can see this silver plated contacts. Anyway, so I just begin with that. Cut the video now. I just get rid of all these contacts and cut away everything. Just make it ready for stripping. Then we drop everything to the bucket again and weigh it up and try to count how much we earn on that. Yeah, okay, so see you. Okay guys, I'm done with the contacts. So there's one end of these cables, there's just copper as well inside, so that's it. And there we have these silver connectors. The reason because of the using silver, because it's quite big power going through this, and it was slided in and out many times. Yeah, but you can see by the color it's silver right away, plated on copper, I believe. Yeah, you can see it in here. I just cut a little bit. Anyway, I do have this testing kit for silver, so if this is begin to turning red, we got silver on it. So let's just look what happened. Like nice, right away change of color. Now maybe you can see it better in this way. So let's take as you can see, all the dots what I make just turn into nice blood color. So let's look how quick it go. It means we got good quality silver on it. So yeah, and let me just close this one. No, I forget to show the leftovers. Like here in the bucket, basically just plastic, just few screws. Yeah, that's it. And we are left over with same bucket, so a little bit, yeah, a little bit over maybe 9 kilo, something like that. So until now we lose like 1 kilo of material, but we still got this silver plated copper and copper ends. This copper ends we just add to the main copper from this one. So let's just try to strip it now. Okay, so maybe I set the camera on machine. Just need to make some space. Come on in. Okay, we're in. just like that should work. Cool. Let me just get my gloves. There we go, so that's all of them. I have a bucket. Okay, so that's the effect of it. Anyway, I just need to move in somewhere. So let's just peel it out from this isolation. Just try to set it up somehow. Maybe just like that. So grab one. And sometime I got some too much tension, so I could go through the wires. But anyway, no, and somewhere I got not enough. So I will need to use a little bit force. But anyway, basically going easy. So another one. As well is this soft wire, so like in this place, it just squeezed instead of cut. There we go. again, not cut in place. A little bit up. Again. No, on this one I got too much tension, I believe. Yeah, but also it was like used, same as this one. Another smaller one. Last time I get one comment from Scrapping Dude, and he said then he don't strip his wires, he just turn it everything to the scrap place. Yeah, I agree. I also turn it a lot without stripping, but it all depends of what type of cable you got. If you got something like this, so this is just great material for stripping, as you can see yourself. Done. No, this one I cut really bad, but it's still not so bad. It's going quite easy. Okay, it looks like the last one. Cool. I'm going to drop all this trash into this bucket. Yeah, okay. So we all guys see how much time it was take. That was this 10 kilos minus the contacts. Anyway, so let's just check it out. Come on, camera out. Okay, got it out somehow from the tripod. Let's check it out. Okay, a little bit under 8 kilos. So we got 3 kilos of trash on it. 7, more than 7, almost 8 kilos we got clean copper. So let's say if I go to the scrapyard with 10 kilos of cables, I will get like 50-60 crowns in here. If I go with let's say 8 kilos of copper, I will get like 320. So that's the huge difference, guys. No, I forget about this one. So if we add those stuff, I believe we are clearly at the 8 kilos. Am I right? There we go. Cool. So that will be it from me and from my pickup for today. That was a quick job. So cool. So I say bye for now and see you at the next